What if one country could connect two continents, hold the echoes of ancient empires, and showcase landscapes that feel almost otherworldly? Welcome to Turkey, a land where East meets West, where history breathes through every stone, and nature paints unforgettable scenery. From floating balloons over surreal valleys to ancient cities carved in rock. This is Turkey like you've never seen before. Turkey is a country of stunning contrasts. Stretching between Europe and Asia, it offers a mix of mountains, coastlines, and unique geological wonders. One of its most iconic landscapes is Cappadocia, a dreamlike region filled with fairy chimneys and cave dwellings. At sunrise, hundreds of hot air balloons float across the sky, creating one of the most magical sights on Earth. Then there's Pamukkale, known as the Cotton Castle, where white mineral terraces filled with thermal waters cascade down like frozen waterfalls. And along the turquoise coast, crystal-clear waters meet dramatic cliffs, offering some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Turkey is a living museum of civilizations. It has been home to some of the greatest empires in history, including the Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans. In Istanbul, the former capital of empires, history stands proudly in every corner. The Hagia Sophia, once a church, then a mosque, and now a symbol of cultural fusion, represents centuries of transformation. Nearby, the Blue Mosque dazzles visitors with its intricate tiles and towering minarets. And deeper into history, the ancient city of Ephesus reveals well-preserved ruins of Roman life, from grand theaters to marble streets. Turkish culture is a vibrant blend of traditions, flavors, and hospitality. From the bustling Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, one of the oldest markets in the world, to small village tea houses, life in Turkey is deeply social and welcoming. Food plays a huge role here. From savory kebabs to sweet baklava, every dish tells a story of tradition and regional influence. And no visit is complete without experiencing Turkish tea or coffee, symbols of connection and conversation. Turkey's diverse ecosystems support a wide range of wildlife. From the forests of the Black Sea region to the dry steppes of Anatolia, the country is home to wolves, bears, and countless bird species. It also lies on major migration routes, making it a crucial stop for birds traveling between continents. This natural richness makes Turkey not just a cultural treasure, but an ecological one as well. If you enjoyed this journey through Turkey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible destinations from around the world. Tell us in the comments which place in Turkey would you love to visit first. Turkey is more than a destination. It's a bridge between worlds, a story written across time. And this is just one chapter of our planet.